Hey friends, welcome back to Wig Reviews with Amber. Today we're going to talk about how to summer-proof your synthetic hair. Because let's be honest, summer can be rough on wigs sometimes. We've got sunshine, sweat, heat, friction frizz, sunscreen, road trips, sometimes our clothing, tangling up the nape, and all the things. But if you choose the right wig construction for you, some tips, tricks, great habits, and the right care products, your wigs can look beautiful all summer long. And I can't forget to mention the 5 new styles that launched in the #1 collection last month, which features the comfortable light Atelier Swiss cap. Lightweight styles and comfortable cap constructions are made for summer. One thing that I personally notice during summer is that I reach for wigs that feel lighter, softer, breathable, easy to wear, and effortless to style. That's why I've been loving these new #1 styles. Right here, I'm wearing the Tiffany hand-tied. The Atelier Swiss cap is fully hand-tied and it's very lightweight. It's also incredibly natural looking, as you can see. The Swiss lace itself is softer and finer, so especially outdoors in natural lighting, that hairline looks nice and natural. And because the cap is fully hand-tied, you get all of that natural, realistic movement. This is so nice during the summer when you want relaxed, beachy looks, ponytails, claw clips, and loose, effortless styling. Now let's talk about real summer struggles. If you wear wigs, you already know the nape tangling in the summer can be a real problem. Long hair rubbing against your neck, all of that friction can cause tangling much faster during the warmer months. One of my biggest tips is do not wait until the end of the day to detangle. Keep a wide tooth comb or Wig-safe brush on you and gently detangle throughout the day as needed. Envy has Wig-safe brushes and combs that are gentle on alternative hair, and honestly, using the right tools makes such a difference. Another big summer tip, make sure you are using products that have been specifically formulated for your synthetic alternative hair. Traditional hair care products can sometimes weigh the fibers down. It can create buildup that synthetic hair really doesn't love. Not only do I wash my synthetic alternative hair every 6 to 8 wears, depending on what type of activities I'm participating in and how much buildup I get on my wigs, but I use products meant for that fiber. And a few other products that I have in my rotation are Envy's Get Dressed and Envy's Renew and Repair. Get Dressed is a fantastic product for your brand new style. You might pull it out of the box, take a step out in natural sunlight, and you're seeing a bit too much shine. This is invisible texturizer and shine dimmer. This product offers volume with an invisible finish, and it can reduce shine in synthetic and human hair. Now this is my holy grail. I love this product, Renew and Repair Glosser Spray. This restores synthetic fibers to just out of the box beautiful. So if you have a dry, tired style that you have worn all summer long, go ahead and try Renew and Repair. This revitalizes dry or damaged ends due to normal wear. This leaves your synthetic fibers looking and feeling rejuvenated. It adds luster and sheen. So you have a product that can help tame extra shine and add volume and texture. I especially love Get Dressed with a short pixie like Tiffany for that added texture and oomph at the crown. But if you want to add that healthy shine, love this product, especially in the summer months. Sometimes your synthetic fibers need some extra love. Now, I already brought up the #1's collection with the Atelier Swiss cap, the fully hand-tied, comfortable, lightweight design. What I love most about these styles is how easy they are to create a style. Summer hair shouldn't feel stiff or overdone. I love a fully hand-tied cap because even in a windstorm, the hair flows naturally. You won't see any wefts. You can also create a style. If you are one who likes to reach for a longer wig, such as Belinda hand-tied, Brianna hand-tied, or even Maya hand-tied, I love these looks, but sometimes I want it off the neck, especially when it's hot and sweaty outside. Easily accomplish low loose ponytails or even a higher ponytail at that. Claw clip twists, soft side braids, headbands, baseball caps. Also, sunglasses are a great way to push the hair away from the forehead and out of the face. And because these styles move so naturally, it really gives that effortless summer look. Also, another reminder, summer is a great time to rotate your wigs more often. If you have a couple styles you like to switch between, it really can extend the life of your fibers. It can give each wig a little break in between wears. And don't forget, store your wigs properly. Let them air out after long, hot days. And I already pointed this out, but wash them regularly during summer because we tend to sweat more, use more sunscreen, and spend more time outdoors. I also think summer is a great time to play with color. Blondes glow in the sunshine and rooted colors look amazing outdoors. And dimensional colors really pop in natural lighting. Speaking of blondes, this is the beautiful silky beige on the Tiffany hand-tied, and I'm holding Charlotte hand-tied in the new color Prosecco. I would love to know in the comments, what is your favorite wig for summer right now? Are you team long beachy waves, short and lightweight, mid-length and easy? Tell me below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for another Wig Reviews with Amber. See you next time.